This island was installed by Simply the Best Kitchen and Bath of Philadelphia. I just had the quartz countertop installed by a third-party fabricator. In my last video, I demonstrated a number of workmanship issues. The most concerning was that the island was not secured to the ground very well. It's only secured by a few finishing nails here in the center. The sides of the island are not secured to the floor at all. When the installer was finished installing it, I asked him why it wasn't screwed to the ground, and he told me it didn't need to be, and that when the countertop was put in place, that the island would be tight, it would be solid, and it wouldn't move. So I'm just going to push on the island a little bit. You can see that it moves a lot. It's not very secure. So on May 9th, I told the owner of Simply the Best Kitchen and Bath that I didn't want his company to do any more work in my house. And I sent him the video I made. And a couple days later, he called me back and he told me that the video was mean-spirited, nasty, and nonsense. Then he told me that the island, there was no room for the island to be screwed to the ground. Then later in the same conversation, he tried to tell me that the installation of the island wasn't complete and that the countertop would need to be installed first so that they could have some wiggle room to screw it to the floor. That sounds like nonsense to me.